Welcome back to Instables again. After yesterday's candle showing us that we are consolidating and continuing to consolidate above our resistance that now is turning into support. Now our question from here is, will we continue on above our major resistance here at 431? What exactly would our proof of concept look like if we were going to continue on higher? Again, we have CPI inflation report coming out on Tuesday next week. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for from here. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, major volatile movers that we mentioned in the Instables room, 2.5 hours before market open, any major data sets that you want to be watching, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. So jumping into the SPY with you guys here again, looking at our daily candle structure. Again, we have been keeping an eye on our 10-day moving average crossing above our 21, while our 21 and our 50 have been curling up, showing us a bunch of strength here. And as you guys can see, again, within consolidation, just above our prior resistance, now looking for a very strong support here at 431 to have possible gap ups from our prior gap downs. This is what we have been looking for. And again, as we sit just above 425, our possible support here, we want support here at 431 more than anything to have these gap ups. And what I would be looking for from here, again, leading into CPI next Tuesday, very much going to set up leading into CPI, even if we have a major spike, very much looking for proof of concept with Tuesday coming out, in my opinion, to make sure we do not get any false breaks to the upside for any possible pullbacks and continuations on lower. That would be a possible false break even if we broke 431 here on the daily chart. Again, making sure that we do get proof of concept, making sure that we digest this resistance is going to be key here. So again, as we sit just below our resistance, we need to make sure that we do test our resistance at 431 and then hold with that possible proof of concept. We want that possible engulfing candle at 431 to have that possible gap up. But again, we have to assume this is a strong resistance leading into CPI next Tuesday. So again, any intraday rejection at 431 will be a very nice play, in my opinion. Again, any possible rejection, false break to the upside will be a possible nice continuation on that rejection, or we will possibly hold and have that continuation and look for proof of concept for that break to the upside. So again, that is our intraday perspective here. Again, holding 431 or having that false break at 431 will be the bigger play. So again, we are on watch leading into resistance. If we do continue on higher going into tomorrow, we have to assume leading into Tuesday CPI that we do have to get that proof of concept above 431. That is our intraday perspective. Now jumping into our weekly chart again, looking at our swing perspective, what we are holding into here is, again, that possible rejection candle on our 425 level on our weekly chart. Again, that possible rejection candle on our 425 level, but we need that proof of concept on our weekly chart as well above our 431 level to have that major gap up. And we have to assume that we need that proof of concept, and that may be a slight rejection to bounce back off of our 10-day for that continuation on higher on support, or we will possibly get support at 431 and look for that proof of concept on that possible engulfing candle higher to have those major gap ups from our prior gap downs again, guys, that we had on those major rejections. And the reason why 431 is so key, guys, is because we had a major rejection prior. We have to make sure that we assume that we do need that proof of concept at 431 to make sure we continue on higher here, guys. Again, if we have a pullback, a cool down, a possible cool down to a continuation on higher like we had prior, then there will be no surprise. But if we do get that proof of concept here at 431, we will have a gap up, and the amount of strength that we have been getting here on our weekly chart has been crazy. Again, continuing on with increases in buy pressure. Again, mentioning we have to assume that we are not going to be short in the market at this point in time, especially with this much amount of strength. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, any major volatile mover that you want to be watching, we mentioned pre-market news 2.5 hours before market open, any major data sets that you want to be watching in the market, any major levels with very volatile movers, we mentioned in the Instables room, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instables, I appreciate every one of you guys every single day. Much love to every one of you guys. Very nice breakouts today. Very cautious for the last couple of weeks as the market has been lower on volume. However, continuing to take what the market gives us is what we have been doing and what we will continue to do in the Instables room. And again, I appreciate every one of you guys, like I said, more than anything. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.